everybody, guess where I went to without my husband's permission? I went to the Dollar Tree, and I didn't go crazy this time because, I don't know, I don't need as much stuff as I used to, but I needed to get a couple things. Now, I ended up getting this Grow Your Own Crystals, and I also got Grow Your Own Crystal Tree. Now, my son and I did a project, and I did a video for it. You guys will have to watch that video. Yeah. And what I wanted to do is do these experiments to see if they really work. So I thought I'm going to make a video because this is great projects to work on with your kid. I'm all about doing experiments with my son. So I got that stuff. Now the cool thing I found, and this is already open, is these owl soaps. I was super excited about this. I see my tag came off of this one. I think this one was pear, I think, but I got the green. Yeah, I think that's pear, but they smell really good, so I had to get that one. This one is strawberry, and it smells delicious. And then this is sweet cherry. So, and then they had a blue one too, which I can't remember what that one was, but I ended up getting all three of those. I got more bubble bath for my son. We absolutely love this bubble bath. I mean, for $1, you get you get a good amount. You only have to put a little bit, and it suds up the whole place. I've gotten other Dollar Tree bath bubbles, and I've gotten other brands, and they just aren't as good as something like this. And they come in two different flavors. The green apple is harder to find than the watermelon, but the watermelon doesn't really smell like watermelon, but I do recommend it. But I do like the green apple smell a little bit more, so when I see it, I cannot pass this up. This is by far my favorite bubble bath to use for my son or myself. I ended up getting just 2 more heart rings. I got them just because, in case I need them for a project, and I have them. The store only had 2 left, so I'm like, I'm going to take them while I see it. And I am working on DIYs for you guys. I just kind of been in a slump where I just don't want to do anything, but I am working on them. I found these, and I thought these would be a great thing to, sorry about the background noise. Benjamin, if you want to go sledding, you got to stop. I thought these would be super cute. It's basically one of those tea lights with the glass and stuff, so I was thinking maybe I could figure out some kind of DIY with something like this. So I ended up getting 2 of them because I think they're super, super cute. So I got those. I ended up finding Shea Butter Lotion. I don't remember what scent this was, but I think I opened it and they smelled pretty good. And I'm like, you can't pass up. I'm not a huge fan of owls. I'm like one of the only people in the world that are not a big fan of owls. I think they're cute, but nothing that I really collect. But I thought, you know what, this is a cute lotion to use. And then everybody's going crazy over these hand creams. So I got the red apple. I absolutely am obsessed with apple lotion. I just love it. I could just eat it all up. I think this bottle is super cute. And then it's just, oh, I never even smelt it, but oh my goodness, it smells so good. I could wear that all day long, but there's a cap on it, but man, if I find more of these, I'm gonna have to buy more because these smell super good. I ended up getting these like Jenga tower games. I found a project that I want to do it, but I gotta wait till the weather gets warmer because I need to spray paint, and I cannot spray paint when we have like inches of snow and it's freezing cold. But I ended up getting 4 packs because I didn't know how many I needed. But these are like those little Jenga games, so I thought, you know what, I'm excited to make my little project with that. I found a 4-pack of Mentos. I'm not a big fan of orange mints, but I thought, you know what, somebody in my family likes orange mints, so couldn't go wrong with that. And it says, wow, a 4-pack. So I got that. That was just super awesome. My son picked out emoji band-aids. Benjamin, can you stop doing that, please? We're not going to go sledding if you can't stop. Put it down. Thank you. You want your emoji band-aids? So we got emoji band-aids. He saw the poop ones. This kid is obsessed with poop. I mean, he's only 3 years old and he wants the poop band-aids.
I want the word band-aids.
Oh, okay. So there was that. We are doing a little a play date later today, and I thought let's make some Valentine's Day stuff. My store had a lot of projects. We didn't get half of what everybody else had, but I thought, you know, these are kind of cute. So you can make a little robot, you can make a fire or dump truck, and then a train. I thought these would be cute to do with a little play date, and there's 6 packs in here, so each of the kids will be able to do that. I needed an organizer because I do a lot of, you know, I save my receipts for my apps that I use, and I gotta kind of organize them. So I think I got this so we could put papers and stuff in there. Plus I can put my receipts in there so I can start doing those, because I save all my receipts for a week, and then I submit it to my receipt pal and receipt hog, how I get free stuff. And so then after that, then I put them somewhere else. But I just like to keep them out in the open so I don't put it anywhere. I got this Comet Classic Home Cleaners. It's the foaming bleach bathroom cleaner. Now, I heard a lot of reviews about this, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get it. It's for $1, and my shower is kind of, you know, sometimes gross. So I'm like, I'm going to try it. For $1, you can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting these bourbon salted caramel candles. Now, I think they smell really good. I had a friend get me one because I was on a hunt for them, and then I finally found them. But these are super delicious, so I'm excited to use those up. And then the last item I got are these shower rings. Yeah, I went crazy over shower rings. Again, this is a spray paint project that I want to do, so you guys will have to wait till the weather warms up. But I ended up getting like 4 packs. I don't know how many I will need, but I just got them so when the weather does eventually warm up, I can check them out. But if you guys enjoyed my small Dollar Tree haul, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And thank you for watching. I will be posting more Dollar Tree hauls. Not as much as I was, but I'm pretty excited to show you the deals that I got. See you guys later.